Hi, it's Todd Howard with Blake Real Estate, and welcome to 2268 Richter Street in beautiful Dunedin, Florida. What we're going to show you today is a completely renovated 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that's absolutely stunning on the inside. Just to give you a little bit of boundaries on where the house is located at, you're in between State Road 580 and Curlew off of Belcher. So from the house, you're about 5 minutes from the Blue Jays training field. You're about 10, maybe 15 minutes from downtown Dunedin, and about the same amount of time to get out to Dunedin Causeway and Honeymoon Island. So without further ado, let's go check out the lot lines, and then I'll meet you in the kitchen. Welcome inside the home. Where you're going to find the kitchen is quartz countertops, white soft close cabinets, stainless steel appliances. The rest of the house is just as gorgeous. Let's go have a look. That's going to do it for 2268 Richter Street in beautiful Dunedin, Florida. If you have any questions about this property whatsoever, feel free to contact me. Todd Howard, Blake Real Estate, 727-614-3296. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.